Hi everyone, we are here at the small animal house of College of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry, which comes under the University Dau Shri Vasudev Chandrakar Kamdhenu Vishwavidyalaya. This small animal house is CPCSCA registered. You know, the CPCSCA is Committee for the Purpose of Control and Supervision of Experiments on Animals. It is a statutory committee of DHD, Department of Animal Husbandry and Dairying, and this is constituted under the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act, which is a PCA Act 1960. Basically, this facility has been specially developed for the undergraduate and postgraduate students. Undergraduate students can do their practical and teachers can demonstrate on the small animal house their work, and also for postgraduate students, because postgraduate students can plan their research work on the small animals like mice and rat. We have bulb sea mice and Wistar rats and New Zealand white rabbits. So we have this three kind of species of animals, so the students can plan their research work according to their work and choose the animals. So let's have a visit to the small animal house. We are proceeding towards the entrance of our small animal house. This is the entrance. Here you can see this is the foot bath, which is generally filled with the KMNO4 or lime. This is lime, because this is antibacterial and this is a very good disinfectant. So after putting our shoes here, then we have to enter the unit. Entering in the small animal house, you have to remove your footwear, and then you have to wear the slippers which are kept here, you can see. Or else if you are wearing shoe, then you have to put on the shoe cover on your shoes. You have to cover your head with this head cap, and you have to wear the apron. These are the protective clothing. These are the mandate without which no one can enter the small animal house. Isolation room. The animals which are brought from outside or purchased, they are to be kept in isolation room for the 21 days to check if they are infected. We cannot mix these animals from our rest of the animal, because they have come with the transportation. Our next room is the next room of this unit is procedure room. So this is the procedure room. Here you can see the racks are empty now. These are rabbit or guinea pig racks. These are the racks in which rat or mice are to be kept. These are empty now because there is no any research is going on. If a student is doing some kind of research, then they place their animal here. All the rooms have central cooling facility, and as you can see, all rooms are under CCTV surveillance, so that any physiological parameters of animals or any activity of visitor who is coming, who is doing their research, these things can be checked. Here one weighing scale is there. We can see how beautiful these little animals are. This is setting 0, and you see this little cute mite is weighing about 30 gram. Thank you. Bye bye, mice. Okay. This is the room in which rabbits are to be kept. As you can see, these animals animals are very beautiful, playful and very loving. This white rabbit is New Zealand white. Here you can see two New Zealand white in this rack, two New Zealand white in this rack. Generally for the research purpose this New Zealand white are used, and they are used for raising hyperimmune sera. They love feeding green, so we provide either Berseem, Lucerne or any seasonal green. They love feeding green. The room number 2 is containing rats. Here you can see rats and their activity. This is the water bottle, waterer, and this is the food. They take food in the form of pellet, and their food is ordered from Vadodara, Gujarat. See, they are very friendly. Oh, we are so lucky. We are so lucky that we have been able to see the new pups of rat. They have beautiful nesting nature. So they have made a nest. See how lovely are their kids. The bedding which we used is either rice husk or wheat husk. So this was our rat room. In room number 3 we have placed mice over here in these cages. You can see mice. Bedding is same, rice husk, paddy husk, wheat husk, and as I have already said that all the rooms having CCTV camera, and they are equipped with the central cooling facility. Post-mortem room, if any animal get died, then post-mortem is to be performed here in this room. Then this is the room in which we have kept one incubator and one hot air oven, and this is waste incarceration, and this is the room where our UG or PG students are used to sit here, and they do some discussions on the study, or they do some research work over here. Let's have a look to the small laboratory which is which we are maintaining in our small animal house. Here this is RO water purification system, because we only provide RO water to our lab animals. And this is just a small room where we keep the registers to maintain stock and other detailing. And this is our small laboratory. We are working here. This is hot water bath, hot air oven, autoclave, and incubator I have already shown. And we are planning to set one biosafety cabinet here so that microbiological students, pathological GPH students can do their research work easily. We have CAT tissue processor as well so that patho students can work easily. This monitoring unit is to check animals as well as visitors activity. As I have said earlier that the whole small animal house is under CCTV surveillance, and previous recordings as well are stored here itself. This is the storeroom where we used to keep animal feed. So that was all about a small view of our small animal house, which is under the College of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry, Anjoda. So many people from medical college, dairy college, pharmacy college were asking that they want to do some research. They want to do some research on the lab animals, or they want their student to do their research on the small animal. So from where they can get the animals. So maybe this video is useful for them. They can avail animals from here. They can do their research work here. This institute has its own IAEC, Institutional Animal Ethics Committee. So as their research are approved from the IAEC, they can do their research work and they can get a certificate. This animal house is very well equipped with the CCTV surveillance, with the central cooling facility. Every room is having humiditor to check the humidity, to check the temperature control. There is a temperature check monitoring unit. So this is all about the small animal house. Hope you like it. You know, I am very pleased to show you our small animal house, because our small animal house is the only CPCSCA registered unit in this state in our Chhattisgarh. So we are very proud of it.